Welcome to iSyn TV. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Oh, mo kí o káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì iSyn TV ní gbogbo bíkíbi tẹ́ ẹ ti ń wo ètò yìí lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Ẹ ṣé o, you are welcome to iSyn TV. Wherever you are watching us right now, happy Sunday to all our viewers. Wherever you are watching, today is 8th of March 2026. You are welcome. Òní lọ́jọ́ kẹjọ oṣù kẹta ọdún 2026. Ẹ ṣé ní gbogbo bíkíbi tẹ́ ẹ ti ń wo ìkànnì iSyn TV lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Gbáǹkọ́gbì náà lélẹ́yìí ẹ ti mọ̀ pé tèmi bá ti rí àwọn gbáǹkọ́gbì lèmi máa mú wá. Orílẹ̀-èdè Amẹ́ríkà sọ àwọn nǹkan kan tí mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ tún gbọ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ìpànìyàn tó sì ṣẹlẹ̀ ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà lánàá. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n tún tẹ àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ ránṣẹ́ pé àwọn ń kì yín nílọ̀ ẹ gbọ́ pé bá a ṣe ń gé yín lọ́wọ́lẹ̀ tó ń bò ó ká. Orílẹ̀-èdè Amẹ́ríkà fi ìkìlọ̀ tó nípọn tó gbóná ńlá. They send a strong warning to Nigeria again. Mo ní kẹ́ wá gbọ́ number 1 nìyẹn. Number 2 ni wípé àwọn Afẹ́nifẹ́re tó wá jáde tán ṣe wípé tí bàbá Tinubu ò bá ti lè dá wa padà sí regional tàbí kí wọ́n pín Nàìjíríà yìí kó ṣe ètò bí Nàìjíríà ó ṣe pín, àwọn ò nígbàgbọ́ nínú election tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ 2027. Èmi kọ́ mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, àwọn Afẹ́nifẹ́re ni wọ́n sọ, wọ́n ní àwọn ò nígbàgbọ́ rárá nínú nǹkan tó wù kó lè ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Nàìjíríà bí kò bá ṣe pé bàbá Tinubu o wọ́n bá gbé ìgbésẹ̀ tó yẹ kí wọ́n gbé gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá. Mo ṣe ní ẹ farabalẹ̀ torí ètò àgbọ̀ lónìí Gbáǹkọ́gbì náà ni ó jẹ́ nǹkan tó ní agbára. Ìjà kára máa tẹ̀ sójú ẹ̀ náà torí wípé mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ jù, mo kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́ àwọn nǹkan yìí náà kí n tó wá máa sọ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó tẹ̀lé àwọn nǹkan yìí níwọ̀nba ní ṣókí náà dẹ̀ láàṣìí ká kọ́ farabalẹ̀ ká gbọ́ bó ṣe lọ náà. Ẹ ṣé ẹ jẹ́ mọ́ bá ń like ètò yìí, ẹ mọ́ bá ń share rẹ̀, ẹ mọ́ bá ń subscribe sórí ìkànnì yìí. Ẹ bá mọ́ sọ ọmọ ní gbogbo ìgbà bá ti ń gbé tò wá báyìí, ẹ mọ́ like, ẹ mọ́ share rẹ̀, ẹ mọ́ subscribe sórí ìkànnì yìí. Ẹ já gbọ́ ná kí ni ìkìlọ̀ tó orílẹ̀-èdè Amẹ́ríkà tiẹ̀ fún Nàìjíríà gan. Kí ni ìkìlọ̀ ọ̀hún? Ẹ já gbọ́, à ń padà bọ̀.
Move over 100 people out of a community that has a military base without interception. Meanwhile, ISWAP has claimed responsibility for a deadly raid on Kirishiga, a predominantly Christian community in Madagali local government area of Adamawa State, killing at least 25 to 27 people, including soldiers and civilians, and burning at least 10 homes to the ground. In a deeply alarming development, ISWAP issued a direct ultimatum to the surviving Christian community to convert to Islam, pay a religious tax known as jizya, or face death. The terrorists were said to have arrived on motorcycles and overwhelmed local vigilantes and soldiers. The violence has drawn international attention, with United States Congressman Riley Moore condemning the attacks as targeted religious persecution and calling for conditional U.S. aid tied to stronger protections for Nigerians. And I'll read Riley Moore's post on X. He wrote, "Christians continue to be explicitly targeted for their faith in Nigeria. ISIS West Africa is slaughtering Christians and telling other Christians they must convert or die. In our report to the White House, we made it clear that increased American support is contingent on the Nigerian government doing more to defend Christians. Now is the time for Abuja to step up. Convert, pay, or die." This is the ultimatum being issued to Christians on Nigerian soil in 2026. This is not just a security crisis. It's a humanitarian emergency. Now, the federal government's response must match the scale of the threat. Really. Meanwhile, heartbreaking images.
Everything, the whole country, and there is confusion. So we are not a nation, we are several nations. The Yoruba is a nation on its own. We spread across West Africa, we spread across the Caribbean. The Igbo is the same. The Fulanis have spread across West Africa. The boundary is artificial. We have to correct it. If you don't correct it, we are just fighting a lost battle. When you speak the same language, when you have the same culture, there's a way you communicate without even talking. The Yorubas believe in Omoluabi concept. It's enough. Are you Omoluabi? That question is enough. It's loaded.
Omoluabi meaning?
Are you a decent human being?
That's the meaning of Omoluabi.
Yeah. Do you have family ethics? It's loaded with so many things. Then the real word, Afenifere. Philosophical. Do you want goodness for yourself? Do you want goodness for your neighbors and other Nigerians? Afenifere mantra is what we are trying to preach. We want the Yorubas to be given the space to fulfill their promise and let the Igbos fulfill theirs without interference. Let the judge do the same. The Fulani want to rear cows. That's their livelihood. They believe in it.
From what you're saying now, I mean, you still have the question of when you decentralize, what do you really mean? But from what you're saying now, you're only calling 3 tribes.
every.
There are many tribes.
We are talking to all of them. We are talking with the Galas.
They're just calling the Hausas, the Yorubas.
I met the Galas this on Saturday. Everybody look, how big is Gambia? How big is Cape Verde?
Gambia is tiny.
Yeah, but all the same, it's a country, it's United Nations. When we organize, we can federate. You'll be surprised that in Yoruba land, we are not just one, as you think. We have 26 entities in Yoruba land, 26. Each one in its own territory. We have Egbas, we have Ijebus, we have Ilajes, we have Ekiti, we have Ijesha. If people from Akoko speak, you may not even understand it in my own area.
So from what you're saying, if you have that number, how does it differ from having that number, the whole of the nation? You know, because you might say begin to get the same problem.
As I said, we have Omoluabi, there's a common denominator, even though we have variations. But even in the Yoruba land now, we have designed a system of how to govern ourselves in a democratic federating unit. We are going to be 26 federations units that will make Western region. Each one will have semi-autonomy. So it's not as if Ijesha will oppress the Jebus or the Egbas will oppress the Ilajes. Even so, what we have been doing is to fashion out a means of running Western region if we are allowed to be on our own. And then the news is out. The Igbos are doing the same. The South, they are doing the same. The Middle Belt, they are doing the same. They are meeting currently as we are talking. They say should be aware of it. We thought that the meeting that was held by the Rebel Group took off in Ibadan last year. So we had the warning, go and put your house in order. Go and design how you want to live among yourself, because we lost this track since 1960. Between 54 and 1960, the Western region was existing, Eastern region was existing. We've lost track of that. We now want to reconnect with the provinces upon which the Western region and even other regions were based at that time. So this year, we have come up how the Yoruba will live together in a federation where no one, the Okuns, the Gominas of Kwara, they will live with the Ekitis. We have a framework that will give everybody equal rights.
It's good for you to discuss the Yoruba, if indeed, like you're saying, it's well ironed out. But you have to also think about the fact that other federating units will have to be ready.
They are being sensitized.
Or carried along.
They are being sensitized.
So because if you get the Yorubas ready, are the other people ready? And let me ask you this question. Why now? What's really stoking the paradigm? And on a scale of 1 to 10, what's the likelihood of achieving your objective and how you want to achieve it?
We achieve it because, see, we are proud of our experience. We had Obasanjo regime, it was even handled a little bit. Then we have Buhari regime. And we have our own father and son now in charge. The way winner takes all is taking place now. It's not ideal. Okay, once he leaves now, who stops anybody else from doing what Buhari has done and what is happening even now? You might say Yorubas are in support. We don't agree with that aspect. President Tinubu is doing a lot. It's not easy to run a country as complicated as we are now. He's doing his best, but the country is not well governed despite all his best efforts. The best effort is to actually, why is there? He should kickstart the process that will make people to now say, let us have a proper federation where there will be neighbors.
Ẹ káàbọ̀ padà, ẹ̀yin náà gbọ́ gbáǹkọ́gbì ọ̀rọ̀ tí bàbá yìí sọ. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ ńlá ọ̀rọ̀ gbáǹkọ́gbì ó ní ọ̀rọ̀ bàbá yìí ò pé kí ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu kí wọ́n wá ọ̀nà bí wọ́n ṣe àwọn ètò tó jẹ́ wípé agbègbè kọ̀ọ̀kan ọ̀ ká sọ wípé orílẹ̀-èdè kọ̀ọ̀kan yóò máa mójútó nǹkan títí ẹ̀. Ìyẹn ni ó lè fún wa ní àlàáfíà torí wípé kálukú ni ó mọ manage resources títí ẹ̀, kò ní sí pé by fire by force election kan by fire by force afẹ́dìbò by fire by force àwọn agbègbè ká máa lé kinní kan torí agbègbè kálukú ni kálukú ó ti máa operate. Every region will operate in their own region, every country. Tí wọ́n ń pètè fún tán ń pè ètò táwọn báyìí sọ ni wípé kí agbègbè kọ̀ọ̀kan kó jẹ́ orílẹ̀-èdè, ká sọ di orílẹ̀-èdè, ká sọ di region, kí kálukú máa ṣètò ọrọ̀ ajé títí ẹ̀ bó ṣe tọ́ àti bó ṣe yẹ. Ìyẹn ò ní jẹ́ kí wàhálà kó ṣẹlẹ̀ mọ́. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ àwọn bandit àwọn terrorist tán lọ káàkiri yìí kò ní sí mọ́ because agbègbè kọ̀ọ̀kan ní ọlọ́pàá ní sójà títí ẹ̀. Kálukú àdè mọ́ mójútó àwọn àjọ mọ́ bára wa ṣe business papọ̀. Àjọ mọ́ bára wa ṣe kíni? Àjọ mọ́ bára wa ṣe business papọ̀ ni. Torí pé kálukú ni ó ní ètò ọrọ̀ ajé títí ẹ̀, kálukú ni ó ní bó ṣe ń ṣe business títí ẹ̀. The Oduduwa nation will have their own business, their own territory, we have their own functional forces. Likewise, the Biafrans, likewise the all other tribe. Every region will have their own forces. They will have their own capacity to run their own economy. Kò ní sí pé àwọn kan mọ̀ marginalize àwọn ẹ̀yà kan, kò ní sí pé àwọn ẹ̀yà kan wọ́n mọ̀ suffer. Kò ní sí pé àwọn ẹ̀yà kan ìyàwó mọ̀ jẹ wọ́n. Gbogbo nǹkan yìí làwọn bàbá yìí ń pè tó fún. Wípé ẹ jẹ́ kí kálukú dá wà. Ó ní wọ́n sọ fún Ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu pé intel lè ṣe lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ èyí tó lè mú kálàáfíà ìjọba, ó ní pé kí kálukú wa dá wà. Kí kálukú wa kó ṣe kéde ká wà lórí ọwọ́ wa ni. Káwúsá dá wà, kí Ìgbò dá wà, kí Yorùbá dá wà. Láìsí yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀, gbogbo ètò ilé ìta ń sọ pé kíní kan yìí bí ìgbà téèyàn ṣe ń parọ́, bí ìgbà tó jẹ́ wípé àti ìrẹ́dì láti bọ́ lóko ẹrú náà sì ni. Ṣùgbọ́n ìdí tọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn olóṣèlú wa náà ti fẹ́ kí àwọn nǹkan báyìí kó tètè ṣẹlẹ̀ nípa mọ̀ pé tí ó bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ojú á kára mọ́. Àbẹ́mọ̀ ni ojú máa kára mọ́. Everybody, the power will be more closer to the people. Ìdí tọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn náà ti fẹ́ kí gbogbo kíní yẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹjẹ́ àwò náà pé àpá Tinubu náà tiẹ̀ inú ìgbésẹ̀ tó tẹ̀ gbé of recent àtẹ̀dúpẹ́ páwọn náà tó ń gbé ìgbésẹ̀ torí tí state police bá ti wà. Gẹ́gẹ́ bá ìsọ́nà nínú ìròyìn tí mo sọ lórí some days ago now, tí state police bá wà, everybody á máa control territory, security àti ẹ̀kọ́kọ́ wà náà. Ìyẹn ló tún bá àwọn nọ́ọ̀tì lẹ́rù táwọn nọ́ọ̀tì ń sọ pé táwọn bá tẹ̀ pé tí state police bá wà tí everything regional wípé àwọn mọ̀ pé Nàìjíríà stylishly ó fẹ́ túká nìyẹn. Ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ náà ìgbà wo ni wọ́n kú òní kú sí? Ìgbà wo ni wọ́n kú òní kú sí? Àjọgbépọ̀ wa gan kò san wá. Ìdí nìyẹn tó yẹ pé gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ táwọn bàbá yìí sọ yìí ó yẹ kí ààrẹ náà kí wọ́n sì tún kán gbégbèsè ńlá lé lórí. Kán gbégbèsè ńlá lé lórí kálàáfíà kó lè jọba kí each region náà ni. Wọ́n kúkú fọ́ọ̀sì wa náà ni. Amalgamation dẹ̀ ti expire. Àwọn kan láwọn fẹ́ ṣe ṣàríà, àwọn kan láwọn ò láìkì ṣàríà. So àkókò lélẹ̀ tó yẹ kí kálukú ara jókòó pókè nǹkan báyìí lèmi fẹ́, nǹkan báyìí ni wọ́n ò fẹ́. Since tó lè ti gba tèmi yẹn dá wà, kémi náà dá wà, kí kálukú jọ wà lórí ọwọ́ ẹ̀. Á rí pé tá a bá ń ṣe yẹn àlàáfíà ó jọba, kálukú wa ó dá wà. Ṣùgbọ́n tó bá àwọn olórí wa yìí náà sì ń jẹ nínú àwọn wọn Nàìjíríà, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn náà ò fẹ́ kí gbogbo kinní kó tètè ṣeé ṣe. Ìyẹn làwọn àbáyẹ máa ń sọ wípé n tó lè mú kí solution wà ó làwọn nǹkan táwọn ń sọ yìí. Ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tí àbáyẹ sọ. Ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tó sọ. Pé nǹkan tó lè mú kí solution wà nìyẹn. N tó lè mú kí solution kó wà nìyẹn. Ara àwọn kátà lè ń sọ náà nìyẹn. Kálàáfíà ó lè jọba. Àwọn kátà ń sọ nìyẹn. Kán wá solution sí bí kálukú each region tí police ní ìsìnkọ́ lọ́ọ́ máa ṣe kó tètè ṣe. Gẹ́gẹ́ bá ṣe sọ tí the new IG of police ti sọ pé it is a done deal. Wípé all the arrangement has been completed to make sure that state police ó bẹ̀rẹ̀. Tí ìyẹn bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀, every other thing náà tó yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe, they should put it in action so that each region can control their resources. Simple. Kẹ́gbọ́dì máa manage resources ẹ̀. Kí lè rò tí yín? Ẹ bá fi rò tí yín sí comment section. Ẹ bá like video, ẹ bá share, ẹ bá subscribe sórí ìkànnì yìí. Ẹ ṣé o. iSeen TV yín náà lélẹ́yìí. Ẹ ṣé tẹ́ǹtẹ́tí sí wa ní gbogbo ìgbà.
Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.